Now this is what I like to see. Light winds, small swells. This is going to be perfect for San Clemente Island. Woohoo! Okay, well, I'm back down at the boat, and it's such a great forecast. No winds, really calm seas. I'm going to try to go to San Clemente Island tomorrow. Truth be told, I was supposed to go out this morning. Had set my alarm for 6:15, but I had insomnia last night and couldn't sleep. And at 3 o'clock in the morning, I decided 3 hours sleep wasn't enough, so turned the alarm off. Woke up at 9:30 this morning. Shame on me. Not sure what's going on with the insomnia thing, but hopefully I won't have any tonight. I'm going to be sleeping on the boat tonight. Taking off first thing for San Clemente Island. Woohoo! The tide is ebbing, and it's really ripping right now. So when I go into the dock, I want to make sure my bow's pointed into that current, because trying to go with it is no fun at all when you're trying to dock, especially the fuel dock. So let's see how we do. I guess low tide was at 7:47 this morning, and high tide was at 7:47. Low tide is going to be at 2:53, 2:55, and it's 11:30 right now. So it's ripping. Okay, we are all filled up, so we are ready to roll for tomorrow morning, heading out to San Clemente Island. Back from the fuel dock, don't have anything else to go or anywhere else to be, so having a beer, and I'm going to look at some goodies I bought for this camera thing here. There's a couple of things I like to do when I go to the fuel dock, and one is record the engine hours that I got the fuel, and put them in my fuel log so I can keep track of what I did and when. I have I think a couple of fuel receipts in here that I didn't record, but now that I have full tanks, this would be a good time to actually record some of them. I don't know why I asked for receipts. I don't need them. Here's my Best Buy receipt. They charged me $24 for a USB cable. I didn't even see it because I was chit-chatting with the girl, the cashier, about scuba diving. Didn't even realize that the USB cable that she had picked out for me, which was a USB 2.0 6-foot A extension cord, was $25. So I returned that after I realized that, and got a cord off of Amazon. So where's that? That's this thing. That should be the one from Amazon. This one's 9 feet long, and it's USB 3.0, so it's like an extra thing. So there we go. And it says Amazon on it, so yay. So this will be good for the camera because the camera only has a USB male connector. And if I want to charge it, which I'm going to be doing in a little bit, I need one of these. So that's that. This thing is a USB hub, which is kind of nice because I need one. I don't know if it'll charge over a hub, but at home I only have 2 USB ports on my desktop computer, and this little thing will let me expand that to a total of 5, because this will take 1. So kind of looking forward to trying that, seeing how that works. Probably should read the instructions, or not. There's probably instructions in there. I think I need instructions. Well, here's the instructions. Features. Oh, they're in Spanish. No, thank you. Okay. No, I hablo español muy poquito. Don't read it at all. Okay. So, oh, whoa, hold on. Jeez, what's going on there? And all sorts of things flying out of this thing. Okay, so we got, this is a selfie pole. It's a professional Bluetooth selfie stick. Okay, so it's got Bluetooth in it, which probably means it needs to be charged, which is probably, I got one of these things. So we got a bunch of stuff fell out of here. What do we got? This stuff here, this stuff here. These are all attachments for phones and stuff. So this is a phone attachment to go that way, I guess. And this is a different phone attachment. Not sure what we do with that. Looks like maybe it's more universal. Who knows? I don't know. And then we got this chrome plated thing, which is kind of cool. Don't know where that goes. Ah, here's a GoPro mount, which I do have a GoPro camera right here. My GoPro camera. This is the one I use for diving. It's got a little light on it. It's kind of nice. All my diving videos pretty much are shot with this thing. All the new ones, anyways. This is a 3, I think. Yeah, it's a Hero 3. Okay. But it does 60 frames per second, 1080p, or no, 720p. And that's, as long as I can get the 60 frames per second, I'm good with that. So all the other bells and whistles I don't really need yet. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, so this thing here looks like it expands, so I can make it go further if you want. Woohoo! Look at me, selfie! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, well, it's probably not waterproof, and let's see here. It probably needs to be charged up. Here's a little. This is a little remote control thingy, so that you can actually zoom in, zoom out, and then take a picture. So that's kind of cool. Although I don't see how you can actually charge this thing. Might have to read the instructions. Oh, look at that. You can put your selfie stick on another selfie stick if you want. That's kind of fun. I wonder if this thing opens up. No, it doesn't. Alright, so put this thing back. I'm sure that will get lost. Might even get lost this trip, who knows. Spinny thing. And this is that thing that tightens up here. Like that. Woohoo! Selfie, yay! Alright. This is called a, looks like Fuge Tech. The future of technology today. Now, you can't do that because the future is not today. Today is today. The future is not today. So you can't have the future of technology today. That doesn't work. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. So that's misleading advertising. If I would have noticed that earlier, I probably wouldn't have bought this, but yeah, we'll give them a pass on this. A mulligan, I guess. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know what it is. Okay, so that's good. All right, so we got this. So we got some this thing with all these things, this thing, which is didn't work out good, and then this thing, which was a lot less money than the one at Best Buy. So, oh, wait a minute. These are instructions for the selfie stick. Oh, okay. Oh, these are in German. All right, cool. Sprechen Sie Deutsch.